Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Creamy chicken dishes are a comfort food favorite for good reason. They're rich, satisfying, and can be made in countless ways to suit any taste. Whether you prefer a stovetop skillet, slow-cooked casserole, or baked entree, there's a version for every occasion. From classic Alfredo to cozy soups and one-pan wonders, these recipes prove how versatile creamy chicken can be. Ready to find your next go-to meal? Let's get cooking. Classic creamy chicken recipes. Few dishes hit the comfort food sweet spot like creamy chicken. These classics have stood the test of time because they balance richness with simplicity. Whether you're a fan of Italian-inspired sauces or hearty casseroles, these recipes deliver flavor without fuss. Creamy chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo started in Rome but became an American favorite thanks to its smooth, velvety sauce. The key is a blend of butter, heavy cream, and freshly grated Parmesan. Toss it with fettuccine and tender chicken for a meal that's indulgent yet easy. Want to mix it up? Try these twists. Mushrooms. Sautéed cremini or shiitake add an earthy depth. Spinach. Stir in fresh leaves for a pop of color and nutrients. The sauce clings perfectly to pasta, making every bite satisfying. Chicken with mushroom cream sauce. This dish turns humble ingredients into something special. The mushrooms soak up the creamy sauce, creating layers of flavor. White wine or garlic can boost the richness even further. Pick the right mushrooms for the best results. Cremini. Mild and meaty, great for everyday meals. Portobello. Hearty and robust, ideal for a deeper taste. Simmer the chicken until it's juicy, then let the sauce thicken slightly. Serve over mashed potatoes or egg noodles for maximum comfort. Creamy chicken and rice casserole. A casserole is the ultimate weeknight lifesaver. This version combines tender chicken, fluffy rice, and a creamy sauce that binds everything together. Bake until golden for a crispy top contrast. Variations keep it exciting. Wild rice. Adds a nutty flavor and chewy texture. Broccoli. Toss in fresh florets for a veggie boost. The creaminess balances the starchiness of the rice, making each spoonful creamy and hearty. Perfect for feeding a crowd or meal prepping. Cooking techniques for creamy chicken. Creating creamy chicken dishes isn't just about the ingredients, it's about how you cook them. The right techniques keep the chicken tender, the sauce velvety, and the flavors rich. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, these methods will elevate your creamy chicken game. Sautéing chicken for creamy dishes. Sautéed chicken is the foundation of many creamy recipes, but overcooking ruins the texture. Start with boneless, skinless thighs or breasts for the juiciest results. Cut them into even pieces so they cook uniformly. Here's how to do it right. Pat dry. Moisture steams instead of searing. Dry chicken gets a golden crust. Medium-high heat. Too low makes the chicken rubbery. Too high burns it before cooking through. Don't crowd the pan. Overlapping pieces release steam, leading to soggy chicken. Once browned, set the chicken aside before making the sauce. This prevents overcooking and keeps it tender when added back in. Making the perfect creamy sauce. A lumpy or thin sauce can ruin a dish. The secret? Balance fat, liquid, and thickeners. Start with a roux, equal parts butter and flour, for body, then whisk in broth or milk slowly to avoid clumps. Heavy cream or cream cheese adds richness without curdling if heated gently. Common mistakes to skip. Boiling the cream. High heat separates it. Simmer on low instead. Underseasoning. Cream mutes flavors. Salt in layers and finish with herbs or lemon. Overthickening. A sauce that coats the back of a spoon is ideal. It thickens more as it cools. For extra depth, deglaze the pan with white wine or add a splash of Dijon mustard before adding dairy. Slow cooking for maximum flavor. Slow cookers and Dutch ovens work magic on creamy chicken dishes. Low, slow heat breaks down collagen, making the meat fork tender while infusing it with sauce. This method shines in soups, stews, and casseroles. Try these slow-cooked favorites. Creamy chicken soup. Simmer chicken with broth, veggies, and herbs, then stir in cream at the end. White chicken chili. Beans and green chilies add texture, while cream cheese thickens the broth. The longer cook time lets flavors meld, so even simple ingredients taste complex. Just avoid adding dairy until the last 30 minutes to prevent curdling. That's a wrap for part 1. We've covered some amazing creamy chicken ideas already, but we're just getting started. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.